Imagine your body as a city after sunset. While the streets should be clearing for the nightly cleaning crews to begin their repairs, the wrong dinner keeps the factories running at maximum capacity. When the city finally tries to shut down, it slams into a massive biological gridlock, leaving your mind tired, but your biology stuck in overdrive. We often view dinner as the final meal of the day, but science shows it functions as a high-stakes biological switch. It can act as a silent signal for cellular restoration or a loud alarm that keeps your internal systems awake after your head touches the pillow. A strategic dinner supports gut repair, protects the heart, and stabilizes blood sugar. A poorly timed or composed meal triggers insulin spikes and stress hormones that turn your bed into a metabolic battlefield. To reclaim your rest, we are counting down 10 specific dietary saboteurs and the biochemical strategies you can use to neutralize them starting tonight. Optimizing your dinner creates a nightly command center, dictating the quality of your cellular recovery and determining how your body will age over the next several decades. Tip number 10. Eat dinner earlier than your cravings suggest. Eating late forces your digestive system to stay on duty when it should be entering its scheduled repair window. Your body follows a strict 24-hour rhythm. As shown on this clock, your insulin sensitivity naturally declines as night approaches. When you eat a heavy meal late, your body struggles to manage glucose at the very moment its metabolic efficiency is at its lowest. Try to finish your final meal 3 hours before sleep. This gives the stomach time to empty, allowing core body temperature to drop and melatonin levels to rise without interference from active digestion. Tip number 9. Build your plate around slow carbohydrates. Refined carbs and sugary snacks create a blood sugar spike that can jar your brain awake in the middle of the night. This graph tracks the impact of a refined carb dinner. A rapid glucose spike is met with a sharp insulin response, leading to a plunge into this danger zone. That sudden drop acts like a metabolic smoke alarm, waking you up at 2 or 3 a.m. feeling restless and alert. By choosing fiber-rich foods like beans or sweet potatoes, we get this second curve. Fiber manages the speed of glucose absorption, providing the brain with a steady supply of fuel throughout the night and preventing the stress response that follows a crash. Moving towards slow carbohydrates isn't just about tonight's sweep. High fiber intake is consistently linked to lower risks of heart disease and metabolic decay. Tip number 8 addresses the body as a silent construction site. During sleep, your immune cells reorganize and your muscles rebuild. If the raw materials for this repair are missing, your body cannot effectively renew itself. Protein provides the necessary amino acids, but balance is the key. While you need enough to support repair, massive portions of heavy meat create a digestion marathon that keeps your sleep light and fragmented. Tip number 7 focuses on the nervous system. Many people fail to fall asleep because their muscles remain tense and their thoughts continue to loop, even when they are physically exhausted. Magnesium acts as the biological brake for your nerves. As this schematic shows, magnesium particles interact with GABA receptors, which function like a dimmer switch for the brain, helping it stop the transmission of alert signals. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods and balanced protein ensures your system can successfully transition from a state of high vigilance into a functional repair site. Tip number 6 addresses oxidative stress. Every day, your cells face microscopic sparks of damage from pollution, stress, and normal metabolism. Antioxidants from colorful vegetables act as a nighttime fire control team. Deep greens, reds, and purples on your plate deploy protective compounds that neutralize free radicals before they can trigger systemic inflammation. Tip number 5, be selective with fats. Heavy saturated fats from fried or processed foods slow down digestion and strain the cardiovascular system overnight. Choosing unsaturated fats like olive oil or omega-3s from fish helps keep your blood vessels flexible and supports the regulation of inflammation while you sleep. Without these protective nutrients, your cellular defense army is forced to enter the most critical repair window of the day completely unarmed. Tip number 4, feed your gut to help your brain. Your microbiome is a living ecosystem that communicates directly with your nervous system. Prebiotic fibers feed beneficial bacteria, allowing them to produce short-chain fatty acids that nourish your colon and signal your body to lower its inflammatory response. Tip number 3. Protect your brain from hidden stimulation. Many evening drinks contain chemicals that actively fight against your natural drive to sleep. Think of sleep pressure like sand filling an hourglass. Throughout the day, a chemical called adenosine builds up, telling your brain it's time to rest. But as we see here, caffeine acts like a physical block over the sensor. The sand is still there, but your brain can no longer feel the pressure to sleep. Tip number 2. Keep the meal nutrient-dense but light. An oversized dinner forces your body to process a banquet when it should be preparing for a shutdown, raising core temperature and triggering reflux. To prevent a system crash, follow this plate ratio: 50% vegetables for fiber and color, 25% quality protein for repair, 25% slow carbohydrates for glucose stability, and a small highlighted sliver for healthy fats. Respecting the volume and ecosystem of your digestive tract ensures your final meal signals a safe shutdown sequence, avoiding a night of restless biological work. The final and most important strategy is tip number 1: stop the biological inconsistency. Chaotic timing cues are the master saboteurs of human health. Your hormones, enzymes, and microbes all operate on patterns. When dinner timing and quality are predictable, your body can optimize its cellular repair cycle with precision. Every dinner is a binary vote. It is either a vote for metabolic chaos and systemic inflammation, or a vote for biological rhythm and deep recovery. Before making drastic changes, please consult a healthcare professional if you have diabetes, kidney disease, or a diagnosed sleep disorder. Food is a powerful tool, but severe sleep issues require proper medical attention. Evaluate what your current dinner is doing to your night. Does it leave you heavy and restless, or light and ready for repair? The foundation of a longer, better life begins tonight, on your plate. Subscribe to Live Well Lab for more science-backed longevity protocols.